It's my goal in life to see that justice is done for the individual, for the little guy. And the insurance companies won't let that happen. It takes me coming in to demand it and to fight for it. I'm Danny Cornell. I'm a personal injury lawyer. I'm the only lawyer. This is a sole proprietorship. And I have 7 staff, including a nurse legal assistant, paralegals, and we all work as a team to help our clients. So at Cornell Injury Law, we specialize in representing the individual, the person that's hurt or injured, against large insurance companies. What inspired me was I was hired out of law school in a large firm, the largest firm in Iowa. But I quickly realized that I wanted to be on the plaintiff side so I could help real individuals and not corporations. So I came back home to Henry County and I started working just for individuals. What makes Cornell Injury Law and our team unique is our why. Our why is not to be dripping in gold and make all kinds of money, although that's what people seem to think about personal injury lawyers. Our why is to help you, to be there when you need us. See, justice demands accountability, and there can be no accountability if there's not advocacy. That means fighting for your rights. That's our why. My mission, our mission is the same as the New Testament. Our mission is to serve those that are less fortunate, those that are in a jam, those that have been hurt, that are sick, that are injured. So when we're on mission, we're helping others, period.
I've known Danny for many years. We've actually had the opportunity to have Danny consult with us on a number of different issues over the years. I can share with you that 4 generations of my family have actually trusted Danny Cornell. Danny has worked on situations with us that are life-changing or could be life-changing if we made a wrong decision. And Danny was able to give us the advice that we really needed to do the right thing for our family. Specifically, what I've seen is Danny has an amazing rapport with the other attorneys, with the judges, the whole court system. When I'm working with Danny, I always feel like he is giving 110%, that it's almost like there's nothing else that he's working on. And he always gives such focus to the situation at hand.
When I go to trial and I'm in front of a jury, I'm presenting somebody who I know intimately, who I've been to their house, had supper with them, done a barbecue with them at my house, to explain their situation, to present their case, the truth of their case. I can't do that unless I really know them. I'll tell you a case I had that I'm very proud of. There's so many, but this one I'm proud of especially because it had been rejected by many personal injury lawyers. In a case in Cedar Rapids, a woman had tripped moving her daughter into a new apartment. And the place she tripped was called a drop step. And engineering principles, even in the city code, said that that is negligent to design something like that. It's unsafe. I accepted the case. I became her friend. I met with her. Well, we won the case and she received hundreds of thousands of dollars. So that's an example of a case that I'm very proud of because it was rejected by several other people that are personal injury lawyers. They said it couldn't be done, and it was done. Yes, I am a solo lawyer with a large team, and that does have a few advantages. I think the primary benefit is that you have a one-on-one relationship with me. It's not a clerk, it's not an associate, or it's me. It's my 30 years of experience, it's my drive, it's my passion. And if I can take your case, you get me, and you get my team.
So with Danny, you get that personal one-on-one attention, but you also get this team of people that are working for you. You're getting the best of all worlds. It's like working with a larger law firm, but with that personal attention.
The most satisfying aspect for me and my clients is the relationship. When we're done, it's not unusual for a client to tell me I feel more like you're my friend than you're my lawyer. Well, that's the best compliment I can get, and it means I did it right.
I think that Cornell Injury Law can likely be described as life-changing. I've seen what Danny Cornell and Cornell Injury Law teams have done for not only our family, but friends of our families.
We want you to win. We're tired of insurance companies pushing people around. So if you're watching this and you do need legal help, or you think you might need legal help, just call or text the number, or reach out to me by email. I promise I'll take the time to review your situation and the laws that apply to it. There's no reason you should know, but I know. And I will be brutally honest with you if I think you have a case that has merit under Iowa law. That's my promise to you.